What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? It's your girl Jess, known as Blessed by Jess. I'm here with another hair tutorial. As you guys can tell by the title, I am doing the Wick style using the rubber band method. You can get Wick if you want to get Wick temporarily. You can use this method. But before we get started with this video, I want you guys to like it, comment on it, subscribe. Also, click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload. Let's get started into this video. So right here, as you guys can see in the beginning, I showed you guys a jar. That is my hair product. I launched the 3-in-1 control. It's good for edges, for your play your edges, to play your locks, your roots, and also when you're getting braids. It's a strong, firm hold. It doesn't leave any residue. It's the fast drying. Then when you put it on your edges, it lasts for a couple days or whatever and so forth. So if you want to order this, if you want to order a jar of my hair product, I will leave my website in the description below. It will be at www.blessedbyjessllc.com. You can go on my website, do an order, and tell me, you guys tell me what you think about my product. So right here, I'm doing a simple retwist. That's what we're gonna get started with. A simple retwist. I'm gonna give you guys a little detail on what I do. I like to keep my parts real neat. As you guys can see, I'm going over it multiple times. Okay. And so what I do is sometimes I use the comb method when I'm retwisting. Sometimes I don't. I use the pump or whichever comfortable for me or whatever. So right here I'm using the comb method. As you guys can see, I'm twisting it to the right as the direction of the locks is going. And then I'm palm rolling it as well. And then I'll pin it. So I want you guys to sit here and just continue to watch it. I'm going to fast forward this process up since, this is pretty much simple on what you can do. And I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Let me stop talking. I've been talking for a while. I'm going to let you guys learn something. And we're going to get back once it get to the styling part. Hey, you see right here, you guys can tell by the roots. My product doesn't really leave any residue. Once it's dry and it lasts. When I tell you guys it lasts a while. This right here is my cousin. I know you guys have seen him plenty of times on my channel. He's throughout my whole channel. So I cut his hair and I styled his hair. He's been having his locks, I'm gonna say about maybe, I don't know. It's been a while. I'm gonna say about 6 years. He's been having his locks about 6 years. His hair grows so fast, and all my clients, including my fiance, and my hair is really long. So I have growing hands. That's what people call me. They said I have growing hands. Okay, but this is the size of the point, so we're waiting on getting to the best part. I know you guys are tired of watching this retwist, but we about to get to the best part. Keep watching. All right, you guys. Finally, we are getting to the best part right here. I'm sectioning it off. We're gonna do 5 wicks. So 2 on each side and 1 in the back. He didn't want them small, so he wanted them pretty big. So I did like about 5 of them. He agreed. I was asking him on, how many did he want or whatever. So that's what we're about to do now. So we're sectioning it off, so I can see, So I want to make sure they're even and all that. Okay, you guys, I finished sectioning it off, but I'm going to speed this up until I get to the very last one, and I'll give you guys a step by step on how to do the wick style using the rubber band method. What's up, you guys? I have did most of the style already. I just wanted to speed the process up and explain to you guys on the last one that I had to do. So right here, you guys are seeing I've sectioned it off into 5, and what I did was I put the rubber band, like doing a plait or a ponytail or whatever, but what you gotta do is you don't make it tight, just make it comfortable for the client, and also don't give them that wrinkle look. That means that you making their hair too tight. So the first step that you do is you just get you some rubber bands. You make sure you have a whole lot of those because you're gonna need a whole lot. It all depends on the length of the client's hair, but make sure you have stocked up on rubber bands because it does take a lot of rubber bands. But you see I am doing about an inch and a half apart from each other, so I just continuously put rubber bands from the root all the way down to the end. So that is how I make my wick, temporary wick. He doesn't want the real wick, he just wants the style of them, and see how the feel of it if he do decide to get the actual wick. So that's what I call them. I call them the wick style using the rubber band method. I'm gonna let you guys continue watching. you guys, and this is it. This is the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. I haven't seen anyone on YouTube do this. But y'all, look at my hair. It's so long and pretty. But this is besides the video. Yes, I haven't seen anyone, on YouTube do this. So I wanted to bring this video out to you guys and show you guys step by step on how to do a simple wick style using just rubber bands. That's all you need is rubber bands, a first retwist, and rubber bands. That's it. And also I cut his hair in between the styling part. I had retwisted his hair and then I cut it, and then I styled it so I can go ahead and get out the way. I was rushing that day, so yeah. I hope you guys like this little rewind, but this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the style. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, subscribe, and also click the notification bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload. It's your girl, Blessedbyjess, and we're out of here.